Hey everyone, Warhammer Simp back at it again. Today I have a very special video, and this is one that's Games Workshop's kind enough to bring to us. Yes, it is an early access. Thank you, Games Workshop. And that is the new Warcry Heart of Ghur box. This is a massive, massive box. All in all, I think there's how many miniatures are in here? Just a crazy amount of miniatures. That's all you need to know. And yeah, today we'll be unboxing this this box, and yeah, it's gonna be crazy, guys. It's a lot of things in here, and I think it's worth the money. I think so. Rare for a Games Workshop product, but I think it's worth it. We'll see you there. All right, so here we have a closer look at the Warcry Heart of Ghur box. Again, available on August 13th. So we have quite a bit of time before it releases, so let's inspect it. Here we have just a standard box art, very clean actually, very beautiful. Expect nothing less from Games Workshop. Say what you want about them. Their packaging is crazy. Their QA is also crazy. So defects are basically non-existent for a lot of Games Workshop products. Yeah, so authentic. Here we have the back, and here we see the contents. Let's actually dim that down. Whoops. Okay, should be okay. Here we see what I'm talking about. It says there's 20 miniatures. 20. That's just the straight up miniatures with the bases. But if you actually take a look, it includes Warcry scenery. That's 8 additional miniatures. That's crazy. There's 28 miniatures here, 8 of which are supersized. And this is enough miniatures to start its own game. As for those of you who are unaware, Warcry is its own subset of games, so it's kind of like Necromunda for 40k. So basically you make 10 teams for the Horns of Hashut, and 10 miniatures, 1 team of Horns of Hashut, and 1 team for the Rotmire Creed. That's how it goes, and then 2 people will go all out against each other, and you have everything you need in this box to play Warcry. I almost said Necromunda there for a sec. And that's a crazy, crazy amount of miniatures. Look at the detail, man. That's insane. I'm actually using the ring light now as kind of like a semi-spotlight for the miniatures. That's crazy. Yeah, Games Workshop has outdone themselves. And in addition to the 28 miniatures, it contains all these things. 160 core book, that's mostly the rules. The tome as well, additional rules. Cards for on-the-fly rules and descriptions. The game board, that's crazy. 22 inch by 30 inch. That's nuts. That's a massive table. Warcry tokens, dice, range ruler, sorry, cards, and additional cards for additional rules. I think this is one of the better value boxes that they've released ever. This is, I think, on par with Necromunda, a lot of their bigger box sets, on par with the new Horus Heresy plastic release. Although I think the Horus Heresy has this beat, just because there's a lot more miniatures there. What else? The Blackstone Fortress, I think. This might be slightly inferior in terms of value, but just because of how good the Blackstone Fortress is, but this is crazy still. Guys, if you're a fan of Warcry, the Warcry set has been big. So yeah, if you're a fan, this is a no-brainer. You have to get this. But if not, stay away. This is a massive investment. So yeah, let's check the inside. All right. Look at that. Just a mountain of Griblies. So, as per usual for Games Workshops, sprues like these are typically where all the miniatures are, like the actual proper miniatures. So these would contain most of the 20 miniatures, sprues like these, while the bigger ones, like this one, would mostly be terrain and scenery. In fact, I'm pretty sure they're all terrain and scenery. Look at this. Yeah, that's crazy. Trees, I'm seeing a lot of trees. I'm seeing a lot of stone. Seeing a lot of fortification, bridges. That's insane. That's actually crazy. There's so many. So yeah, confirmed. These two pile of sprues, these are the 20 miniatures. And that's it. This is it. So if you visualize that, they kind of narrowed it down and made it super efficient. If you just want to build the miniatures, that's all you need. And then here we have a Warcry poster. Let's see. Oh, sorry, it doesn't fold out. I'm so used to folding out posters. It's beautiful. You can hang that up on your wall. And here we have the board in addition to the tokens. So yeah, this is very different from 40k and Sigmar, in which they have tokens. A lot of these side games like Necromunda, Warcry, amongst other things, have tokens to play the game. They play very differently. Some say they're much more fun than 40k and Sigmar, actually. And I don't disagree. Here we have, I'm assuming, the core rules, data sheets, and the data cards. Oh, no, sorry, this is the core rule book. That is, I'm assuming, the other side book that they mentioned. Yeah, and then this is the instruction manual, and then the 160-page core book for Warcry. It's very thick, guys. This is crazy. And then the base is in the back. Very neatly organized. Guys, crazy value. Crazy. And once you're all done, you can easily just figure out where the rest of them go. Oh, oops. As I say that, it's supposed to go here and then the miniatures. Okay, there we go. As I was saying, it's very easy for you to figure out where the rest go. And this is just crazy. All right. That's a crazy value. All right, guys. That's it. And no, you didn't notice me mess up before I cut off the unboxing. That's not a thing. I didn't mess up. Anyway, guys, that's it. As usual, thank you for watching. And as a side note, my Space Marine video is coming soon. That we'll keep an eye out for that. But this box releases on the 13th of August. It is a limited run release. Once we sell out, that's pretty much it, unless we get lucky, but I'm pretty sure that's it. So yeah, keep an eye out on the 13th, pre-order now, and yeah, see you guys there.